In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run Clawdbot on a Mac Mini. First, open Terminal. You can do this by going to Finder, then Applications, Utilities, and launching Terminal. We'll run a few commands here, so keep it open throughout the process. If you don't have Homebrew installed, let's add it now. Homebrew is a package manager that makes installing developer tools simple. In Terminal, paste the Homebrew install command and press Enter. Follow the prompts until it completes. If you already have Homebrew, you can skip this part. Next, install Node.js using Homebrew. Type brew install node and press Enter. When that finishes, confirm it worked by checking the versions. Run node-v and npm-v. Seeing version numbers means node and npm are ready to go. Now install git, which we'll use to download the bot's code. In Terminal, run brew install git. Once that completes, you're set to clone the repository. Download Clawdbot by cloning your repository link. Run git clone followed by your Clawdbot repo URL. Then switch into the project folder with cd Clawdbot. Make sure you're in the folder that contains the project files before moving on. Install the bot's dependencies by running npm install. This pulls in everything the bot needs to run. It may take a minute, and you'll know it's done when you return to the command prompt without errors. Next, add your Discord bot token. You can store it in a .env file or in config.json depending on your setup. To edit the .env file, run nanospace.envs. Or for config.json, run nanospace config.json. Paste your Discord bot token into the correct place, then press Ctrl+X, type Y to confirm, and press Enter to save. Keep this token private. It grants full access to your bot. Start Clawdbot by running node spaceindex.js. If everything is configured correctly, the bot should come online. Check your Discord server to confirm the status. If you want the bot to run 24/7, install PM2 globally with npm install pm2-g. Then start the bot with PM2 using pm2 start index.js --name space Clawdbot and save the process list with PM2 save. To enable auto start on boot,